Many individuals struggle with accepting and appreciating their bodies due to the influence of unrealistic images of ideal body types. It's essential to understand and embrace what your body can do. As philosopher Baruch Spinoza highlighted the importance of experimenting to discover your body's capabilities, engaging in activities that bring you joy, recognizing your unique strengths, and appreciating positive aspects of your appearance can foster body acceptance. Additionally, it's crucial to be mindful of negative thoughts about your body and actively replace them with positivity. Limiting exposure to negative media representations and considering therapy like cognitive behavioral therapy can further support a healthier body image. Ultimately, embracing your body as it is and focusing on what you love about it can significantly enhance your self-confidence and happiness.